So he's saying it would just turn over, but it wouldn't start?
It will go tick, 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 tick,
huh.
and not go on.
Now, I don't think this has anything to do with it, but I did tell his brother, or no, Danny, that this belt here isn't really, it's gonna go like any time. This belt here, it's so soft you can like bend it inwards.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's the reason why. I mean, it's hard to tell why it wouldn't start. I'll scan it real quick. Yeah. So it would just turn over and turn over and turn over, but not start, apparently.
Right.
Okay. Huh. And let me check one thing real quick. There is an engine light on the dash. I'll see what that is. Okay. So OBD, auto scan. This is a 01 Honda Accord. I did a timing belt, balance shaft belt, water pump like a week or two ago, and it drove fine. And then he said that it just wouldn't start one morning, but I just tried to start it up and it started right away. So let's see. Huh. All right, while that's scanning. So this is what I was talking about here. So you can, actually it's this belt. See how you can bend it?
Bend it?
Yeah, you're not supposed to be able to even
do that.
Like, see how this one here, I can't even like flex it at all. But it's really worn out. I'm scanning it now, but I mean everything still looks good as far as just visually, you know.
Right.
Like I don't see, you know, I mean,
that will be the only problem he really has is the belt.
I mean, as far as what I know, but I'm scanning it now to see, because there was an engine light on. There's a couple codes here. VTEC system circuit fault. Huh. So I'm gonna have to look it up. So we got a couple codes here. P1259 VTEC system circuit fault bank 1. But it is starting. This ignition switch is kind of look at that. You really got to work it. The ignition. Well, it's just the ignition. I can't get it to turn. There it goes. Catalyst below efficiency threshold bank 1. Okay. P1259. So for now I'm just gonna clear them. Yeah. Very weird. I mean, what I would say for now, I mean, it's starting and running. You know, I don't really see any issues. I mean, there is one code. I'm going to look it up and see exactly what it means.
Right.
But, I mean, I went through the whole thing and, you know, everything looked relatively good to me when I did it all, you know, so. But like I said, I think it's related to a sensor, possibly.
Right. How much do you think those belts will cost?
Not much. I mean, probably 30 or 40 for, I mean, this one doesn't really need to be replaced, but this one, and then I wouldn't charge much to do it. It would just take me 15 or 20 minutes to get it all sorted out. So maybe like 60 or 75 max.
Right.
You know, because I got to take this one off to take that one off, and then I got to adjust them back when I put them on, so it's not too big of a deal. But that's that screech we hear when it starts up, so.
It wouldn't go on.
I see. Okay. Well, does he have anything to do? Can he drive it today? Does he have anywhere to go or be?
He wants to go to Walmart.
Yeah. I would just have him go, drive it. I'll come back because I'm only like a couple blocks away.
Right.
And when he's done, I'll come back, I'll scan it, I'll see if the codes came back, you know?
Okay.
No, pero, no o sea, tú nos llevas a Walmart y tú nos buscas, yo no voy a usar el carro.
Está diciendo que él usa el caso. Él quiere que tú lo usas. Él
Y
quiere
se
que
me
tú
rompe por
llevas,
allá.
él quiere que tú lo lleves a Walmart. Haga lo que tú tienes que hacer. Trae el caso para atrás y después va a venir para atrás.
And if he, by any chance, does need me, I'll share my number. I can give him my card. And he can...
Si algo pasa, él te va a dar el número de él para que tú le llames.
And if he wants to text message, he can text message me in Spanish, and I'll just, I don't know, can he text message, or does he just talk on the phone?
Tú sabes cómo mandar mensaje por teléfono, no hablar, text.
Yeah, okay. If he texts me, I can just Google Translate and like text, so that way we can communicate better, you know, if he needs to.
Él quiere que tú usas el carro. Él quiere que tú usas el carro.
All right. Well, we got a busy day, so I'm just gonna have him drive it for now and see if the codes come back. Like I said, I just ran through this vehicle. You know, 2 weeks ago I did timing belt, oil change, valve cover, water pump, checked everything. So I don't know if I just tripped a code and it wouldn't start, but I wasn't really here when it wouldn't start, so I don't really know exactly what it was doing. So
How long would it take you to get the belt for the car?
not very long. I mean, I could probably get it. They probably even have it in stock, you know. So
Oh, okay, so you could even get it today if you want to.
yeah. I mean, realistically, if you guys wanted to do it, I could probably do it like later this evening, you know, once it starts getting a little cooler. I do have quite a bit of stuff planned today,
Right.
so.
You will have to take the car to your house.
No, I could do it right here on the
You
spot.
could do it right here?
Yeah.
You start?
What was that?
You start now or no?
Let him start it for you so you can see how he starts it.
No problem.
He's got the touch. You got the magic touch.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay. Well, I got a bunch of stuff to do, so just contact me if you need me. And we'll go from there. And let me know about the belt, you know, if you, yeah.
Textea si nos quedamos allá, tú textea para él llegar allá donde estamos. En la tarjeta está el número del.
Sí.
Entonces no tiene que
All right. Take care. Nice people, nice people. All right, guys. On to the next one.